Hello, hello. This is Serpent Trading with another weekly review, and that's a bonus, a trade idea. As I state in my channel's description, this is a record of my positions, purely my own opinion, and not to be used in any way as an investment advice. So we're back with Ferrexpo. Ferrexpo, do I say that correctly? Ferrexpo. Always have trouble with that. And I was doing a review on this, looking at the balance sheet, looking at the cash flows, income statements, and I think this stock is still really, really cheap. Um, the debt is down, income's up, iron ore prices are up. So we look at iron ore prices, it's skyrocketing at the moment. And before you say these prices are going too high, I would have a look at a 10-year chart, and it doesn't look so bad. Commodity prices are only going to be bullish while the Fed is printing funny money. So I think everything is looking brilliant for this company. The PE is 3.4. 3.4. PE of 3.4 in the current market conditions. Current dividend yield is 6.9. And I was actually checking the amount of dividend I've earned from this company. I only bought back in October. I bought my first lot and I finished off buying it in January. And I've made a return from dividends of 8.7%. 8.7%, and that's not claiming withholding tax. If I do that, if I actually go to this website here and I fill this Form 86 in, if I do that, then my return on this from dividends only, no capital gains, is 11.4, 11.4%, and it's outstanding return for this stock. As I said, I was reviewing my price targets and reviewing my price levels as well. I did have strong resistance at around 210, and I've actually adjusted that down slightly. And I think this is the resistance line. I say line; these lines aren't actually lines; they're actually representing zones. So if it goes to it, past it, it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be on the button sort of thing. It's not. It's just a representation of a zone area of resistance and possibly support. Um, as I say, I got really really buoyed up by this rejection off the bottom of the flag, and it's made me more confident on this flag formation. And I'll just tell you and take you to a daily chart. And you can see on Friday, literally bounced off there, and I hadn't moved this, just bounced off. And I'm looking at a new target of at least £3 now. I'm looking at a target of at least £3 and up to about 340, and that's really challenging the last highs. So we're looking up at this 340 level is what I would love to get, and I don't see why it won't get there. I think when this flag breaks, it's going to shoot up there, especially if iron ore prices stay as buoyant as they have been. So the trade idea that I'm suggesting is on a break, a close or a break of this flag. So say for the sake of numbers, say 220. So 220 buy with a target, minimum target of £3, and you get out the trade at 190. Say 190 stop. So just down here, just past this sort of price level, which should be significant support after it breaks out through that flag. That's going to give you a nice risk reward 2-1. I'm looking at doing this trade, adding to the position I already have, and I think that's a good trade idea. Let me know what you think. Smash the like button, leave a comment. If you don't like it, leave a comment as well. And happy trading, people.